Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 33 of our challenge. Can you believe it? We're halfway through. Today we'll be covering Instagram highlights. In this challenge, you learn how and why to create a highlight and where to find them. But before we do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about social media marketing and marketing for your business, go ahead and start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click the red subscribe button and then the bell icon. Okay, sometimes, let me get out of that, there we go. Sometimes when you have a story that you love and you don't want it to disappear after 24 hours, or sometimes it already goes away and you want to bring it back. So sometimes when that happens, you can go ahead and add it to your highlight section. So like I said, you can do that even after that story has ended, so the public can't see it anymore. You still have access to that. The highlights are actually going to appear just below your profile picture. So I'm going to show you where that is right now. We're just going to go into Instagram, and you can see I have an account here that I help manage. Here's our profile picture, and just below that you can see our highlights section. Okay? So to add to your highlights, you can add more photos to a highlight that's already created, or you can start new. So the first thing I want to do is show you how to do a new one. And of course, I think you guys have all figured it out by now. All you have to do is hit that little plus button that says new, and then you'll have access to everything that you've shared as a story already. Okay? So all you have to do is tap the story you want to add to a highlight. Let's see, what do we want to add today? Let's do this one. All right, I'm going to hit next. And you have the option to rename it. I want to capitalize that. And we'll hit add. And now you can see that's been added to my highlights right here. Now, if you want to add more photos to a highlight that already exists, you just tap on it. So I could tap on any of these, and I'm actually just going to hold it down with my finger. And you can see you can do some extra editing in here, so we can delete it, we can edit what's already in there, send it to somebody, or copy that link, and then you can send the link to somebody. So if I hit edit highlight, you can see it opens up some options here. It has what I've selected, and I can tap on stories, and I can add more to that. So this one that I clicked was all about open houses. So maybe I had more open houses I wanted to add. I could go through. This is the same one here, but if I had something that would fit right into that story, I could go ahead and tap, and you see the blue check mark comes up, and then you just hit done in the top right corner. And that would add it to your current story. Now, if there's one you don't want anymore, so I have this one that says hashtag essential, I'm going to tap and hold on that. All you have to do is hit that delete button and it will go away. Now that being said, it doesn't delete from your account altogether, it just deletes from your highlights. So if you ever want to add it back in, you can just hit that new button and have access to all of your stories and re-add it to highlights. So that is it. That is highlights. So that's actually going to conclude our story section of Instagram. So go ahead and tell me in the comments what your first highlight is going to be about. And that's going to conclude our training for the day. So just remember to join me tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. Central Time for our next challenge, and I'll see you there.